everyone, this is Mousumi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a lot of you have been asking me for a long to do full face makeup look using Mars Cosmetics products only. So in today's video, I will be creating this makeup look using all Mars Cosmetics products, and that is also using only 5 to 6 products. Yeah. So are you guys excited? I'm to excited. So let's get started. So skin prep and priming are done already. Now I will start my base makeup, and for that I will be using this contour palette from Mars Cosmetics. See, I don't have any separate foundation or concealer from Mars Cosmetics, so I will be using this palette only to create my base today. So first, I have color corrected a little bit today the places where I have dark circles and dark spots using that particular shade which has an orange tint in it. So I think it will work as a color correction. So yeah. So for blending the concealer, I will be using this beauty blender, and in today's video you will see how you can use one palette for multiple purposes. And let me tell you guys one thing, these products are not sponsored, so the reviews, the opinions are absolutely unbiased and my personal only, so you don't need to worry about that thing. Now that from that same palette, I will be taking that concealer shade which is like the exact match to my skin tone, and will be concealing my face wherever it is needed. The texture of these concealers are very creamy, so super blendable, but at the same time it doesn't make you feel oily or greasy kind of. I think it's perfect for the beginners, and you can even mix the shades and get a perfect match to your skin tone the way you need it. Now taking that shade which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, I will be highlighting my under eye areas. Yeah, I have used 3 shades today to complete the base, because when you have so many dark spots, acne spots, you need to cover them up. But if you want, you can omit them naturally so that you don't need to worry about covering them up with makeup products. Actually, we all want to get rid of blemishes, acne scars, take away dryness, relieve oiliness, etc. etc. But however, topical cosmetics like face creams, serums which have chemical ingredients just work on the surface, hence provide a temporary solution for our skin. What we put as food in our mouth is more important than what we put as a cream on our skin, because food contains many vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which have immense preventive and curative effects on our body. I was looking for a supplement along with my skincare routine, and I wanted an Ayurvedic supplement. And Kapiva is a true advocate of Ayurveda, and their newly launched Glow Mix has many skin foods like pomegranate, rose, mulethi, satavari, acai berry, grapeseed and blueberries, which are loaded with vitamin A, E, B to make your skin glow, fight hyperpigmentation, dark circles, fine lines and cures UV damage on your skin without any side effects of added chemicals present in many cosmetics. It is one of their premium skincare products. People have different types of skin, and Kapiva is the best for all skin types. Kapiva is being bold here and claims that you actually see visible results in just 30 days of regular consumption of it. Males and females above the age of 20 can consume this, but do consult your doctor if you are pregnant and lactating mother. Mix it in 100 ml water and enjoy your skin drink. You can start with half sachet in the initial days, and after that you can take the full sachet. Do not take it in empty stomach. Consume it after meals, breakfast or dinner. I am 30 and I have acne scars, so I badly needed this glow mix drink to restore my glow. Only the bad points are it doesn't get mixed easily, need to use a mixture, and the taste isn't that great, but once we start consuming it daily, we get habituated, and the result I can see, guys, makes me forget about the taste. Yeah. While hyaluronic acid or vitamin C or any other anti-aging cream works from outside for your skin, this drink will give you the better result from within without any hassle or side effects. Check the link given below in the description box for further knowledge. So concealing is already done. Now I will be contouring my face, and for that I will be using that same palette. See, the concealers have done their work really well, and it has given me a decent coverage to my face. So I hope to get a lifted face shape. Now I have applied the cream contour on my cheekbone, forehead, jawline, nose and under my lower lip. And point to be noted, I have applied the cream contour on my cheekbone, not under the cheekbone. It won't give you a lifted face shape if you apply the contour under your cheekbone. So yeah. For the cream contour blending, I use the brush. You can use the beauty blender here also. So yeah. Now to set my concealer, I will be using that setting spray from Mars Cosmetics, and will be applying it with the same beauty blender on top of my concealer. Make sure that you don't use too much powder on your concealer, otherwise it will look cakey after some time. So apply as minimal as possible just to set it. It won't give you any extra coverage, just it will set your base for a longer period of time. So I don't have any contour palette, powder contour from Mars Cosmetics, so I will be using that setting spray, that setting powder only to set my contour, cream contour. So yeah, using that fluffy big brush, I will be applying that powder all over my face just to settle it down. That's it. For the blush also, I don't have any blush from Mars Cosmetics, so I will be using that shade from that eyeshadow palette of Mars Cosmetics, and will be applying it as my blush on the apples of my cheeks. That eyeshadow is very pigmented, so make sure that you take a little bit first and gradually build up the color. Now using that highlighter from Mars Cosmetics, I will be highlighting the highest points of my face. By the way, the shade details, the product links, all are given in the description box below. So if you want to check out any of these products, you can just go to the description box below and click the link and check them out. So you don't need to worry about anything. So yeah, now the thing is that I didn't have any setting spray either from Mars Cosmetics, so I have used that setting spray from Glam 21. So yeah, I have done my eyebrows off camera. Now I will be starting my eye makeup using that same eyeshadow palette. So I have taken that blue shade first. I haven't used anything as base like any Kajal or white base, because I don't want this eye makeup to be super pigmented or bright looking. So yeah, that is why I will be applying it using a flat brush only, and for the edges, taking that clean brush, will be smudging it in the crease areas nicely, as it's a dark color. So be careful with your movement, don't be harsh, just delicately move your brush, that's it. But I think it's taking too much time for getting the desired color, so I will go for the finger now, which is the best one for putting your eyeshadow on. So if you are in a hurry, use your finger rather than the brush. It completes the task really quick. And here also I'm seeing that it is giving the better color on my eyelid. So yeah, using the finger, I will be reapplying the eyeshadow on my eyelid. And lastly, we'll be smudging the edges again using that same brush. And for the waterline, I will be using that Kajal from Mars Cosmetics, and for the lower eyelid, I will draw a thick line using that same Kajal. So yeah. And now taking that purple shade from the same palette, I will be smudging the Kajal, and yeah, that's it. Won't be using any other color, just using that purple shade. I will be smudging the Kajal using a pencil brush. After that, taking that shimmery sky blue shadow, we'll be applying it at the inner corner of my eyes, and we'll be applying it at the corner of my lower eyelid as well, just a little bit. And we'll be dragging that shadow till the socket of my upper corner as well. It gives a brighter and shinier effect to the eyes by making it look bigger. For the eyelashes, I will be applying that mascara from Mars Cosmetics. Yeah, as you guys know that recently I don't like wearing falsies, so I will be applying a multiple coats of that mascara, and it really works well on your eyelashes. So yeah, I love that mascara. Lastly, for the lips, I will be using that amazing shade from Mars Cosmetics. I know you guys have asked about that shade multiple times, but what to do? Yeah, it really doesn't have any shade name or number on it, so really sorry for that. But I will put the link of that particular lip gloss in the description box, so you guys can check it from there. So that is the final look, guys. I have used 6 products, I think, from Mars Cosmetics to create that makeup look, and it has turned out so amazingly. I loved that makeup look. What about you guys? Do let me know that in the comment section, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. And if anyone is new here and likes my content, please do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you never miss any update. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.